Hi, I'm Seng. So today I will share with you the difference between the normal plan, the standard plan, and the premium plan of the FeedMe POS. Other than that, I also will quick brief with you about the membership feature. Thank you.
Always refer to the latest catalog. The version you can refer to here. The FeedMe plan divided into two, the standard plan and the premium plan. So we have a service on-site training for 6 major cities: Kota Kinabalu, Sandakan, Tawau, Selangor, Johor, located at Kulai, and the Penang Island. Then on-site installation, menu setup below 200 item types, and online customer service. This is one of our advantage. Start from 7 AM to 10 PM every day, including public holiday. You always can refer to our customer service group. Then for the function, we include FeedMe POS software, which allows for you to take in order. Here's the system. And you can check on your menu, inventory, transaction, reports, and setting. Then second will be the e-wallet payment, which is this one. You can integrate with the payment gateway and the bank terminal as well. We also support for the user FeedMe apps, this one. Your restaurant will have a dedicated link, allow the customer to take order through these apps, or we call it mini program, for pickup, delivery, and queue as well. So for the standard CRM, later I will cover on it, and the stock inventory online report, which is the portal for you to check on your sales and manage your report. Everything included here is through website, web browsers online. Then attendance report allow your staff to take clock in, clock out. Offline modes, you can use it without internet. And employee management, you can set for your team permission, something like this. You can set the role. Then for the accounting software integration, which is allowed to integrate using this accounting platform. Then suppose ×2 allowed for the main device connect to another 2 device, which is the tablet, phone, or Windows device as well. And it's supported for the e-invoicing. Then for the premium, it's included everything in the standard plan. And the support is unlimited, but it's based on the main device. Then it's also support for the link with the delivery platform integration of this, the GrabFood, ShopeeFood, and Foodpanda. Only the Foodpanda we got the extra charges. First time set at 500 and yearly renew is 350. And so support for the order display. It's a concept like the T-Live. There's a monitor for you to check is it your food is preparing or ready to collect. And the kitchen display works like the McDonald's. There's a monitor for you to check on the food status and mark as done. Then for the mall integration means that some malls they will require to integrate with the POS system. Then the FeedMe is included and is supported in invoice. So for the membership, we call it as a premium CRM as add-on. If you are using the FeedMe standard plan or premium plan, which is 2 of these, it comes with the standard CRM, such as the member management, experience, and tier. When you're spending, you will get experience. When the experience is full, then you will level up, then you can get benefits. Or set the promotion, titles. Each customer will have their own membership type, like the normal membership, VIP, VVIP, cashback, voucher, you can set as a link and share to your customer, or auto apply when the customer hit the terms and conditions that you set. The counter apps, which is this one, and the member store allow you to top up the credit or buy the voucher. And the SMS marketing allows you to send the SMS and blast to your customer. Point and redeem, campaign rule you can set by your own. Member segmentation, which is you can categorize your members. Gamification only support for the dual screen device, rock, scissor, paper, or the lucky wheel, and the referral program. So all this, which is tick, is support for the standard CRM. If you want to do more, you can subscribe for the premium CRM, and here's the price. No more? You can scan this QR code. Other than that, FeedMe also support for the self-ordering kiosk, the warehouse management, and the inventory costing module. And for the mini program, for the standard plan is free for you. If you want to customize your own template, or you want to add the additional custom page, then you can subscribe for the premium. And here's some brand that are using the FeedMe mini program. So for FeedMe support for the dine-in, which is suppose, QR order, self-ordering kiosk, and queue function. Pickup, which is you can order and pick up, and delivery as well. That's all for today. Thank you.
Cari POS system, cari